So great audio can be achieved not by spending a bunch of money. Sometimes you come across a great dynamic microphone without breaking the bank that sound really good. What if you could get a wireless dynamic microphone that sound really good without breaking the bank? An unbelievable price for under $100. That's right. What you're listening to right now is the Maono PD200W. I have this connected to both, right? Wireless and XLR. This multi-platform device has a 2.4 gigahertz wireless receiver built in. It also connects USB plug and play to your smartphone, tablet, computer, or XLR with a stable pro setup. That's what I'm talking about. Now, it does have a range of about 60 meters of wireless connection. And again, I have this both wireless and XLR. You get about 60 hours of battery life with this microphone. With the RGB turned off, as you can see, they got RGB lights on it. So if you're a live streamer, if you're a podcaster, or a content creator, this microphone right here is great and don't break the bank. Let me give you my thoughts about the Maono PD200W. Sit back, relax, and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So the Maono PD200W is a dynamic microphone that has USB, wireless, and XLR for any audio scenario. It has a signal-to-noise ratio of about 82 dBs. It has a max SPL of 128 dBs with a 2.4 gigahertz wireless range that's rated up to 60 meters. It has a sample rate of 48 hertz at 24-bit with a cordial porta pattern, which is really nice. Now, this microphone has a DSP noise reduction to help with unwanted noise, which my studio is sound treated. So it's going to sound good either way. And the price, you could get this for about $99. I will leave all product links down in the description below. Let's talk more about the build quality. And let me tell you how you can connect this microphone to your computer and connect it to OBS and other stuff that this microphone can do. So check this out. All right, guys. So one of the unique features of having the Maono wireless microphone is that you can do both, which I have right now. I have it connected via XLR going into my Rodecaster video, and I have it connected to my computer, which a lot of people probably will use this microphone for podcasting, live streaming, and stuff like that. But as I like to do in some of these videos, I want to show you guys how you could connect this to OBS. Again, I'm using this wireless going to my PC, and I have this going into the Rodecaster video. So let me go and show you guys how to connect this to OBS. So going to my computer, I just opened up OBS. As you can see, I got OBS opened up on my computer. And one of the things that I want to do is on my scene, I want to go down to add a scene, and so go add a scene here. It's gonna be scene 4, just for video purposes. And I want to go ahead on and add a video source, which I want to add my Rodecaster video, which I'm looking at right now. So I want to add that as a video capture device right here. Just kind of do a generic. And right here, I got my Rodecaster video. Boom. So this is going to be the Rodecaster video as the video source, right? So you want to connect your camera into OBS. The second thing you want to do is you want to connect your audio. As you can see, I don't have any audio going on right now. So I need to add audio. And when I do that, I want to go to OBS again. I want to hit the plus button and go to audio impact input capture device. And I'm just going to, again, just let it be generic. And by default, we go to drop down. Here's the drop down menu. And here is going to be the Maono wireless mic RX. So again, I have it wirelessly connected to my PC. I want to go down and select that. Okay, and hit OK. Now you see a audio capture device here. Now, as you can see, it's just a little tab loud. So before you go live or before you do anything, you want to go ahead on and make your adjustments right there. Make your adjustments. And once you make your adjustments, you're really, really good here at between negative 18 and negative 20. You do not want to peak it out. So at this point, I'm good to go. So I have my video going and I have my audio going. Now, what you're listening to right now is going to be the microphone. And I'm going to switch to a uncompressed, unequalized version of this microphone. So y'all guys can hear how it sounds with no equalization, no nothing going into OBS. So let's go on and I'm going to start recording here. Boom. Okay. So I'm recording right now. And as I'm recording, you guys listening to the uncompressed audio here coming from the Maono wireless system here. And this is what you're going to hear coming out of your live streams, coming out of any type of videos that you make. If you make videos and you record on OBS, this is going to be what you're going to see. And if I go to my front facing camera, and there it is, right? So now at this point, I have my microphone, okay, and I have everything connected to OBS. So this is going to be the practical version of anybody that want to get a wireless setup, like this, going into OBS to record all your videos, and or if you want to do live streams and stuff like that. I think this microphone sounds really good. I'm monitoring this microphone. I have my master dynamic headphones connected to the microphone itself, and I mean I'm getting very good volume. And with these type of microphones, these dynamic microphones, you get that good broadcast sound, which I love. By the way, I absolutely love the broadcast sound. Now, you have to also remember that you have to have very good mic placement because of plosive, right? Even though it has the wind muff on it, I noticed that if you get right on it and if you don't tilt it, if you don't use good mic placement, you will get plosives, even though it has a wind muff on it. But other than that, the sound quality is really, really good. I really do like the sound quality here of these new generation uh, microphones. And this is wireless, y'all. So what you're listening to right now is all wireless, which is absolutely amazing. So yeah, this is great. Okay, guys, so at this part of the video, I want you guys to hear the difference between me using full equalization versus me using no equalization, right? So you guys can hear the difference. I love to add equalization to my audio setup to make it sound clean. And yes, I do have a lot of the broadcast sound kind of in my equalization to make it sound really good, which I like that type of sound quality. I'm over impressed on how it sounds when I EQ it. But let me go and let you guys listen to the non-equalization of this microphone so you guys can hear. And listen, throughout this video, I'll be going back and forth so y'all guys can hear how I sound with EQ and how I sound without EQ. But I'm gonna let you guys listen to it without equalization and let you be the judge for yourself. So check this out. Okay, so here it is. This is gonna be without equalization. Now, granted, the microphone sounds really good without equalization, and I think that's the point, right? It gives that SM7B type quality audio sound. When I was listening to it, I was impressed. It does have that good deep bass, even without equalization. It does have that broadcast sound without equalization. It does have that good sound if you're a podcaster or a streamer that give you that good professional clarity sound. That's one of the things that I like about these microphones that I've been reviewing, that these microphones have been knocking it out the park when it comes down to sound quality. And to me, I'm all about the sound quality. Now, a lot of people may not like the heavy bass. Some people may not like the heavy mids or maybe some of the sibilants, right? This is one of the reasons why when you EQ it, or you have it on the audio interface, or you have it in, once you bring it in your DAW or something like that, you can make all the changes. You can enhance it. You can take away the sibilants. You could take away the deep bass. You could do everything by equalization in post-production. And I can tell you that in post-production, that's where all the magic happened. I would almost, you know, express to anybody that that's a content creator, if you want to get the best audio, right, make sure in your your DAW or your video editing software, just add a little oomph, some EQ and some compression and a little gate to your microphone to make it sound good. But other than that, I just want y'all guys to hear the difference between me having this microphone fully equalized and having this microphone not equalized. And oh, by the way, right, this part of the video that's non-equalized is going in my computer, and I'm recording this in OBS wireless. So you listen to the wireless microphone that's going into OBS. I'm only using the audio part of this so y'all guys can hear the difference between the sound quality of this microphone. So here's my conclusion. I'm amazed how these new generation microphones are, right? They are great at very low prices. Look, if you're a live streamer, a content creator, you should never have bad audio. Look, I absolutely love this microphone for what it can do at this price point, which is really nice. But you know what? Let's talk about some things that's not perfect about this microphone, right? Some opportunities. First, the handling noise. Handling noise is not that great on this microphone. Just make sure that you have it on a stable table or a microphone arm, and don't tap the arm because you're definitely going to get some feedback. Next, you have to have very good mic technique, as the plosives on this microphone is rough. So you need to know that. And lastly, the noise reduction is okay. I really didn't hear a difference when I tap on the noise reduction. And again, I'm in a well-treated environment, so the noise reduction may not be that great, but it may be great for some people. Overall, at this price point, it's a win for beginners that want to step up their audio game. The PD200W is definitely a great microphone at this price point. All right, so listen, I will leave all product links down in the description below if you want to pick this microphone up. And it comes complete with the microphone arm, the microphone itself. It also comes with the wireless receiver and the wireless transmitter. Man, that's what I'm talking about. This is Actor Tech Preacher. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Maono PD200W in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.